Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make someone a moderator on your Discord server. Let's jump right in. I'm using a brand new server for this demonstration, and right now I have only 2 members. To create a moderator role and assign it to someone, follow these steps. Open your server settings by clicking the down arrow next to your server name and selecting Server Settings. Then go to the Roles tab and click Create Role. Give your role a name, such as Mod or Moderator. You can also choose a color for the role. Next, enable the option Display Role Members separately from online members to highlight moderators in your member list. You can also decide if you want to allow members to mention the role, but I'll leave that unchecked for now. Next, we will set the permissions for the role. To do this, go to the Permissions tab and select what you want your moderators to be able to do, such as manage channels, kick members, mute members, or view audit log. Once you've adjusted the permissions, click Save Changes. Now it's time to assign the role. Go back to your server and find the member you want to make a moderator. Click on their name, then click the plus icon under the Roles section. Select the mod role you just created. Once assigned, you'll notice their name changes color to match the role. That's it. They're now a moderator on your server. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.